All right, today is the day. Yep, we're gonna do it. We're opening a limited edition, limited God of War Ragnarok controller for the PlayStation 5. Oh yeah, as you can see, I already busted the tape off of this thing because that would have taken me probably a good 5 minutes to do on camera. But this thing should be pretty cool. I think I got this for $70 from Best Buy. I don't remember, but right now on eBay, it's not that cheap. People are like scalping it, but we can start looking in here. I'll show you guys how to unbox it, so when you get one or a controller, you know what to do. Actually, I don't even know what to do. How do you do this? Do I take this out? But yeah, it's a pretty cool box, I guess. You know, you got like your two wolves on there. It's blue, silver, or white. I think those are the wolves that chase the sun and moon, according to my God of War Ragnarok lore. I haven't actually played the game yet, but I do own it. Actually, no, I have played the game. I played it for like 45 minutes. I did the first boss battle. Didn't die, so flawless victory. How do I do this? Bro. Okay, here we go. Look at this. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like it. Oh, God of War on the back. That is sick. Yeah, so my first PlayStation controller I have, it was I guess it was the white one because that's the one it comes with. I dropped that probably 20 times on the hardwood floor, and these buttons are jacked, and they just don't. If you tap it, you'll just start like shooting people on accident. It's crazy. But yeah, this is pretty cool. Look at that. That art on that. That is kind of why I got this, because I saw it came out for pre-order, and I'm like, yo, I gotta get this. And I think my first one I ordered it from was Target, and they emailed me later, and they're like, yeah, no, we can't send you this because we don't have it. And I was like, whoa. So then I moved to we don't need that. Then I moved to Best Buy, and somehow I got lucky and got one. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Heighten your senses. What else is on this? I think we went through this whole thing. It's the box. But yeah, if you need a good controller to use, this is not linked to my PlayStation. Oh, it's turning blue. Some power to it. Yeah, pretty cool. That was a very fast video. I didn't think it was gonna go that quick, but thanks for watching. That was pretty easy to open. I think I did pretty good. Controller, I'll give a 10 out of 10. I'm sure it gives you a exotic gun when you spawn in Fortnite or something. But yeah, that's pretty cool. That was awesome.